Hey there, it's Dan from RDP Arena. So, you've just got your new Linux VPS. You're ready to get started, but you might be looking at your Windows computer and thinking, how do I actually connect to it? Don't worry, it's way easier than you think. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simplest way to connect to your Linux VPS from any Windows computer using a free tool called PuTTY. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact steps to connect to your server quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First, open up your browser and go to putty.org. Once you're on the page, click the link that says Download PuTTY. Now, scroll down to the Alternative Binary Files section, and depending on your Windows version, click on either the 32-bit or 64-bit link to download the portable version. We'll download the 64-bit portable version for this demo, but if your system is 32-bit, you can choose that one instead. Once the download finishes, double-click on the putty.exe file to launch it. Now, in the PuTTY configuration window, you'll see a field labeled host name or IP address. This is where you enter the IP address of your Linux VPS. You'll find this info in the welcome email your VPS provider sent you. It usually includes the IP address, username, and password. Here's a quick look at what that welcome email looks like, just so you know what to look for. Go ahead and type in the IP address from the email into the hostname field in PuTTY. Once that's done, click Open at the bottom. If you get a security alert, don't worry, just click on Accept to continue. A black terminal window will now open, asking you to enter your username. Enter the username mentioned in the welcome email and press the Enter key. Next, you'll be asked for the password. Go back to your welcome email and copy the password. To paste it into PuTTY, you can either just right-click with your mouse in the terminal window, or you can press Shift-Insert on your keyboard. You won't see any dots or stars appear as you paste the password. This is a standard security feature in Linux, so don't be alarmed. Once you have pasted it, just hit Enter one more time. And there you go. You're now connected to your Linux VPS. You can start running commands and managing your server. When you're ready to close the session, just type Exit and hit Enter, or simply click the X button in the top right corner. But wait, there's more. In the next part, I'll show you how to save your VPS details in PuTTY, so you don't have to enter them every time you connect. But before we get to that, I have got some exciting news to share with you. We're currently running a special sale with 20% off on all RDP slots. Simply use the code you see on your screen during checkout to grab your discount. If you've been thinking about upgrading your RDP plan or trying out one of our premium servers, this is the perfect chance for you to get started. Don't wait too long though. Stocks are limited and this sale won't be around forever. Now, let's get back to the video. In the PuTTY configuration window, instead of just entering the IP address, type your username, followed by an @ symbol, and then the IP address. This will autofill the username when you connect in the future. Next, look for the Saved Sessions field. Give your connection a name that's easy to remember. I'm going to type in RDP Arena. You can call yours My Web Server or whatever makes sense to you. Once you've entered a name, click the Save button on the right. You'll see your server name instantly appear in the big white box below, indicating that your connection is now saved. Next time you want to connect, you don't need to type everything all over again. Just double-click on the saved session name. It will immediately open the terminal and automatically enter your username for you. The only thing you still need to enter is your password. PuTTY doesn't save the password for security reasons, which is a good thing to help keep your server safe. But as you can see, you still save several steps and the headache of hunting for your IP and username every single time. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.